Goodyear rear wiper blades are designed to provide enhanced rear window visibility. This brief video will take you step by step through the removal and installation on vehicles with snap claw rear wiper arms. To remove your current wiper blade, lift the wiper arm as high as it will go and place your hand between the underside of the wiper arm and the wiper blade. Grab the front of the wiper blade with your other hand and pull down until it disengages from the wiper arm. Attach the 5D adapter into the wiper blade. To ensure it's securely attached, insert the adapter at an angle so the tabs on the side of the adapter slide into the wiper blade. Firmly push the adapter down until it locks into place. Angle the wiper blade and attach the pin in the middle of the coupler to the wiper arm until it locks into place. Give the wiper blade a firm tug to make sure it's securely attached, and finally, lower the wiper arm onto the windshield. That's it, you're done. You now have 360 degrees of superior visibility.